Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message there is for you today, Sagittarius, what the universe wants to tell you. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So welcome back all my subscribers, welcome in newbies. If you're new here, if you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us, we welcome you in. And Sagittarius, from the first few cards that I see on the table, you have the Magician in reverse, Seven of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the World, the Five of Cups, Two of Swords, the Empress, the Moon, and the Eight of Cups. Bottom of my spread, I have the Five of Cups in reverse. So from what I see here, Sagittarius, some of you could be dealing with a person who was only creating illusions, probably, a magician in reverse is somebody who's not very authentic, sometimes creates stories and expects you to believe them, cheats you, never tells you the truth, likes to manipulate a situation to the way they want you to see it. But I do see that somebody has made a decision here to shut this chapter down and look after themselves, their own well-being, which is excellent. And it's working from what I see, from the Queen of Pentacles to the Empress. It's really working. And maybe somebody waited a long time, maybe for an apology which never came, so they took back their power. Let me start, Sagittarius, with some dialogue message cards. Then we'll clarify all these cards as well. So, Sagittarius and their person spirit, they could say something to each other. And Sagittarius, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more. All right. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. One more. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here as well. Mix it up a bit. Sagittarius and their person. Oops. All right. Okay. Got enough, I think. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, Sagittarius, I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. Goes so beautifully with what I just told you. Somebody needs to fix themselves and not be a trickster. This is a trickster energy. And yes, somebody took back their power and said, hey, not only am I becoming self-sufficient, I am also now moving towards my own fertility, growth and abundance as the Empress. Okay, second card here says, and please know, Sagittarius, the energies could be flip-flopped, right? I could be reading directly to your cross-watcher. Second card says, I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me, and whenever you do open up, you run and hide. When you do get in touch, you act as if nothing has happened and give me little to no explanation as to why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel unappreciated and not valued by you. Right? Of course, if you're dealing with a trickster, they're not going to do that. I think somebody's realized that and has gotten out of this confusion now, waited long enough, right? And they've taken back control and power of their own life here. Or maybe should. This is current energies. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. Again, trickster energy. Say something, mean something, show something, and never follow with their words. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. So either I have an empress who's walking away and is regretting all the wasted time, or maybe this trickster walked away earlier and now maybe they're regretting because now they're seeing this person who's really glowed up, is looking like the Queen of Pentacles and moving on to being the Empress. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. This could be the trickster, always giving hope for the future and saying, hey, you wish on, and who knows, tomorrow, sometime in the future, maybe we'll be together. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and to take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. So even if there is a little bit of trouble coming together in the 3D world, somebody says that, I know the connection. It could be this Empress. I've never felt such an intense connection. Seems like a soul tie. But sometimes these soul connections can also be karmic soul ties, right? You meet soulmates for various reasons, Sagittarius. All are not meant to end up in that passionate love and we'll be married forever. Some people just come to teach you a lesson. And from what I feel here, the lesson that this Empress is learning is self-worth and self-love. After maybe they, believed somebody or had faith in somebody and that person turned out to be a trickster. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Here's the truth, Sagittarius. Okay, so yes, somebody never really offered their cup of love. Let's clarify these cards, Saggis, but before that I'm going to take a blessing for this reading by my angels. Let's see what advice they have for us here. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius, my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Wonderful. Bottom of my deck I have the card of healing, after whatever one has gone through here, and then coming out triumphant. Yes, I see an Empress here, triumphant, after walking away. Okay, so let's start clarifying these cards, Saggis. So, Spirit, what's this Magician in reverse? Who's this trickster? What can you tell us about this? Yes, this is a soulmate connection which has kind of gone wrong because this trickster never, I think, offered any commitment here. They never made that decision, they never made that choice. And Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Spirit? Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Yes, I think this relationship, I think the tower has already come down. It was built on not very stable foundation here. Somebody, I think, maybe didn't make the choice, or somebody now has made the choice to let the tower fall if it has to, even though the pull is still there. The pull is still there. This chapter hasn't really shut down completely. It has stagnated to quite a degree here, where one person at least has made that decision now to focus on themselves. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles? Queen of Pentacles. Yes, this Queen of Pentacles maybe felt very betrayed because they suddenly realized, or they realized over time, that somebody was only juggling them. They were never kind of making a decision, maybe juggling them between two people or two priorities. They were never making them feel stable. And this kind of betrayal, I think, kind of You know, this Queen of Pentacles, I think, lost faith in this connection, strength in reverse. They felt weak, they never felt stable, and that's the reason somebody, I think, they wanted to feel like the spouse, they wanted to be given a position, but since that didn't happen, this betrayal of feeling juggled, I think this Queen of Pentacles is standing up now to say, hey, listen, I'm battered and bruised, but I'm not going to give up on myself. I'm going to find the closure that I need. And yes, I'm no longer waiting for this apology or this love offer, which is never coming. There is no action ever being taken. So I'm going to stand up for myself here. I'm going to single-handedly, I've fought so many times for this. This time with my last wand, I'm going to now close this chapter out for myself and focus on myself. So the World Spirit, what's this World card? Yeah, somebody has thought long and hard after, I think, being stuck for a very long time, after waiting and waiting, decided, hey, it's no point waiting for something which is never going to happen. I'm going to shut this chapter down and work towards my own stability here. Somebody is trying to come out of feeling always neglected, always, left behind, never given attention. So there is somebody making an active decision now that I'm no longer going to wait. I'm going to shut this whole chapter down and heal myself and work towards my own happiness and my own stability. So Five of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think somebody has been in the state for too long. They've always felt abandoned, always felt left out in the cold, always, looking at the cups which have always been spilt, I think, looking back in regret and sorrow that this, there was never any balance in this connection. There was absolutely no working together, with this connection. As much as they waited, there was always some kind of an imbalance. And somebody has now decided, I'm not going to stay in this sad and regretful stage for the rest of my life. I might as well get myself out of this, this mode of feeling that I'm feeling. Somebody is making an active choice here, and I think that's the reason not only are they coming out as the Queen of Pentacles, but moving on to becoming the Empress now. So Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody is taking the higher ground now. Now once they've made that decision, now this person has the world in their hands. Now they're planning their future. They are taking a higher perspective of whatever's happened and saying, hey, I'm going to make that decision. I'm not going to allow this past person to keep me stagnated or make me feel juggled or make me feel abandoned all the time. I have the world in my hands. I can choose to do whatever I want now and plant my new life the way I see fit. And because somebody has got their self-worth back, they come looking like the Empress here. What's this Empress, Spirit? Empress. Oh, happy times. Happy times. I think the minute this old burden has lifted, somebody is now connecting with friends, family, finding joy in life, in general. Okay, what's this Moon card, Spirit? Moon card. And the Empress again. Wow. Somebody wants a reunion here, Sagittarius. Now they see this Empress looking like the Empress and somebody is looking for a reunion. This could be somebody new, could be somebody old, but somebody here definitely wants a reunion or a meeting up with this Empress. They have a lot of passion and they want to come across correct, like the King of Pentacles now. Or maybe this Empress has a lot of suitors. I don't know. What's this Moon card, Spirit? What's hidden here? And the Eight of Cups? Eight of Cups? Okay, so this Sajis, this is the Queen of Pentacles once again, right? So this card has come out twice. Now, whoever this Queen of Pentacles is for you, this could be you, could be your cross watcher. They are very stable at the moment. They're taking care of themselves. They are coming out as the perfect partner for life kind of a thing. There is a secret here. That the secret here is that maybe somebody has never really expressed their emotions, that they want to be now out of the cold. The tables have turned here. Now somebody else is feeling out in the cold, which they don't want to be. They are realizing that this Empress is no longer giving off their time and energy or any investment towards this connection anymore. This is making somebody feel very upset. They're not happy at all. And now they've made a choice here to come out of this dark night of the soul that they find themselves in. Somebody wants to come back, Sagittarius. They want to come back and they want to now take action. They want to prove that they can be the person that, this Empress deserves. But I really don't think somebody is believing them at the moment. I still see an Empress walking away here, no longer interested in the passion, because they feel that this person is still the same person as they knew them before. Oh my God, I know this. This is what the Empress is saying. I know, this person is still a player. They were going to come in for passion, and now the memories that have been created in this connection are so bad that I don't trust this passion anymore. I know that they're only going to come and have their way with me and then leave once again. So I might as well leave and not look back. Right? So there is trust issues going on. Am I right, Spirit? One more. Even though the other person, yes, somebody feels it wasn't balanced, it wasn't equal. It was never an equal give and take in this connection, and I have no belief in this person. But I think the masculine here is not happy, and they are very emotional at the moment. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? What's this Page of Cups in reverse? Yeah, somebody is feeling very, very foolish. They are feeling very foolish about what they've done. They feel this entire thing has backfired on them completely. They feel that even if I go with an apology or a sorry, it's not going to be accepted anyway. They're feeling the lack of love right now. Normally, King of Cups in reverse, I would say, is an emotional manipulator or whatever. But in this connection with the surrounding cards, this is a person who's feeling the loss of love. They're feeling the loss of love. They feel, this entire thing backfired. My apology will never be accepted, and somebody is feeling really foolish at what they've done. Wishing and hoping and praying at the moment, I guess, to somehow find a way to heal this broken heart. Or if they've broken your heart, or both your hearts are broken, I don't know. But somebody really, really does want to now come in correct. They want to come in as the Emperor. They want to take back control of this connection, but I don't think the Empress trusts them right now. That's the problem. So that's all I have for you. Either way, Empress, whoever you are triumphant, because you've learned that lesson of self-love and self-worth. And let this person come back. If they can match you to be the Emperor, let their actions show. Okay? Don't believe in their words anymore. So you'll know. Your intuition is riding high right now. So that's all I have for you, Sajis. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.